Today I want to talk with you about two paths to build income as an entrepreneur. Both allow you to work remotely and both rely heavily on word-of-mouth marketing. While there is a lot of crossover between the two, they differ on how compensation works. And the two methods I'm referring to are affiliate marketing and direct sales. I earn through both of these models, and today I want to dispel some of the common myths about each one. What do they have in common? In both cases, you're representing someone else's product rather than creating your own. Both can be done entirely online via social media, though direct selling often includes face-to-face interaction. Most importantly, both use performance-based compensation, meaning your earnings are tied directly to the volume of product you move. In affiliate marketing, you're compensated through sales commissions. So when someone makes a purchase based on your recommendation, you earn a percentage of that sale. You'll hear the terms low ticket and high ticket. Low ticket refers to items with smaller commissions, and high ticket involves products with higher price point, like software or training courses, which results in a larger commission per sale. One big myth about affiliate marketing is it generates wealth quickly because it's beginner friendly. And some are misled into thinking this is a shortcut to wealth and you need a minimal amount of time to do this each day. In truth, you do have to put in a lot of time and effort consistently, especially in the beginning. It's not a walk in the park, nor is it easy money. But many people who work hard at it do enjoy high earnings. Direct sales also pays via commission, but it allows you to earn by building a team of other sellers. And I like to compare this to a retail franchise model. Just as multiple store locations generate revenue for a parent company, direct sellers can scale their reach through a network of other sellers without needing an actual storefront. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Direct sales is often referred to as an MLM, which is an acronym for multi-level marketing. Many people confuse MLM with illegal pyramid schemes. To be clear, a pyramid scheme is an illegal operation where fees are collected without a product or service being exchanged. In contrast, MLM is simply a performance-based compensation model used by many legitimate companies. However, earning a significant income in a traditional MLM can be very challenging because of the specific requirements you have to navigate around. This is why I personally prefer a binary plan. Now, a binary plan is still a form of direct sales compensation, but I find it more straightforward. It's designed to be highly scalable and flexible, unlike some traditional plans that have complex restrictions on how you can earn. It's about building a sustainable business based on volume rather than jumping through hoops. As with any industry, there are organizations that operate questionably. However, the industry as a whole has many ethical, transparent companies. The key is to look for transparency in their earning disclosures and the quality of the products that they sell. If you're considering building online income, there are many ways to get started. And if what I've shared sparks curiosity or you're trying to decide which move is right for you, drop a comment below. I do offer no-cost consultations where I share more information transparently. These are purely for your own research to see if there's value in it for you. And I post tips on earning online every day, so be sure to follow along so you don't miss the next info share. Thank you for watching.